back to my channel. It's Rachel. We are doing the countdown to 2021 and today is day 9. So today's video will be a simple unboxing video. This is a globein box. I get globein as an annual subscription. I had been originally a while back sent a PR box and decided to go ahead and try it out as a full year subscription and see how I liked it. So the thing about globein, if you don't know much about this is a company that helps artisans around the world and fair trade, and they bring handcrafted items to you. You do get to go in if you have an annual membership and pick what type of box you want. They give you these themes. They have a lot of things that are reoccurring that you can get. So if you don't get it 1 month, you could potentially get it the next month. And half the time I usually let them just surprise me, but at least for some of my boxes I've gone in and picked. They also allow you to skip a box if you don't see a theme that you want, and you can use it for credits on their add-ons or their sales that they have. I haven't really taken an opportunity to see how those are, but anyway, let's just dive into this. This box is the hydrate box. So this is what it looks like. They do have a little handout that tells a little bit about this box. And so as I go through the items, I'll kind of reference to that. They did send a global impact report. These basically tell kind of where the different boxes, products, and stuff that they make, and the types of box they had for 2019. So this is obviously an older box for whatever reason. I've gotten a lot of the older boxes recently. I haven't had too many that are new to 2020, but that's okay because I'm catching up where other people have already had these. So anyway, let's just dive in here and see what we have. I'm gonna make a comment about this, but this is just kind of funny. So I feel like if you guys haven't seen these little boxes, my goodness, these little things, they're made in Mexico, I believe, by a little artisan family. Oh, this one's Guadalupe. Oh, wait, no, let's see. I believe this is Mexico, yeah. Anyway, they make these little palm leaf boxes. I've gotten like another purple one, and I think I've gotten like a cream one. I have a lot of these, and I'm like, what do you do with so many of these little basket boxes? Someone said they put toilet paper in it and they put it in their bathroom, which is a cute idea. I am actually going to use these as little gift boxes for Christmas to gift wrap packages. But I do find that getting so many of these in so many boxes is just kind of bizarre. I'm not a big fan of getting that many, but I am going to use it. So this is a 6x6 palm leaf. You're supposed to be able to wipe clean. It's from Oaxaca. Oh, I'm pretty saying that wrong. Mexico, by the artisan Donna Celerina. And it takes 2 to 3 hours to weave, with each artisan completing an average of 3 baskets per day. Once a month, she transports her groups of baskets to a market. So you can keep your gardening gloves, small tools. So it's like just a little catch-all. And this one, which I didn't notice in previous ones, actually had the little picture of the family, which that is nice. Like the previous ones were just a little box. I'll have to say this one feels a little bit nicer in quality than the other ones I've gotten. So I don't know. My other ones were a little wonky. This one feels softer. But I'm going to use these, like I said, to package up for Christmas gifts and give them to different folks, because I think they'd be perfect for that. Okay, let's see our next item. I have like a little organic beeswax lip balm. I am a big fan of getting lip balms in any form or fashion. Even if I don't like the lip balm, I give them away as Christmas gifts or gifts to my husband. But this is organic beeswax, organic coconut oil, organic sunflower seed oil. It's got peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and vitamin E. This is from Zambia. And Kohana is the person, I guess, who makes it. But it's supposed to be sourced their pollen from wide swaths of land. Organic beeswax indicates the presence of large, wild region untainted by chemicals. So that's their big thing. Kohana works hard to bring beeswax to the world while helping the people of his community. So, yeah, so that's really, really cool. I don't know if I'll keep this for myself or give this to my husband, but that is nice. I'm very, very happy about that. That is quite a usable item for me. All right, next item here is, I believe this is a cup, and I did not open this. So let me just use my pen that I use to makeshift open up packages because I forget to have scissors in here, and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so this is made in Mexico. Oh, I like this. This is really pretty. I'm probably going to put this in where like my wine glasses and my decorative glasses are, because this is really pretty. This one, I wouldn't mind having more of these. That's the other thing I kind of find weird about the subscription box. I guess if you really like something, you go to the marketplace and, you know, either buy or like not do a subscription for a month and use the money to buy the actual pieces. But this is really pretty. This is glass here. It's got almost a rainbow effect in person. But it's really cool feeling. So let me see what they say about this glass here. This is the hand-blown glass. Yeah, and it definitely has a very neat texture to it. Dishwasher safe, not meant for hot liquids. This is made in Mexico from Tonala, Mexico by Crystalluke Company. So basically, this is a bunch of talented artisans that take molten glass and make very fun shapes and elegant shapes. They have 40 local artisans in this company. And so, yeah, that's really cool. This is the kind of stuff I really enjoy from this box. Like, I just think this stuff's very unique and fun. All right, next item here is coconut oil, conscious coconut oil. And this is kind of an interesting product. So coconut oil can be used for a lot of things. And let me see what they say in here. So this is a packet of 6 packets of coconut oil. They say they're travel ready coconut oil packets. So they look like this, okay? And they can be used to instantly hydrate, refresh, or nourish on the go. So you can use it as a face and body moisturizer, makeup remover. Yeah, coconut oil to remove makeup is actually good. I use a lot of oil-based initial balms to clean off my makeup. You can use it as an after sun care, hair conditioner, substitute for butter. And you can also use coconut oil as a teeth pulling. I'm going to compare this to the coconut oil I have that I use for teeth pulling occasionally, because I may use it for that. But coconut oil is pretty easy to use for whatever you want to use it for. So let's read more about coconut oil here. So it is 100% coconut oil. It's from Thailand, and it's Kaman is the person. So it's keep in the kitchen, keep it in the bathroom. It is a multitasking miracle. And so Kaman is a 3rd generation coconut farmer that lives in Thailand, and suggested use: moisturizer, hair conditioning, shaving cream, sun protectant, itch relief, infection treatment, oral care. So I'll probably use this as oral care. At some point, I know I promised this like a year ago, I was going to do a oil pulling video and kind of what's the benefits and what is oil pulling when it comes to teeth hygiene, and maybe I'll try to do that in this countdown to 2021. Actually get around to doing that video and discussing it more, but this, I'll use that for that. All right, final item in here is this product here, which is a very interesting idea. So this is a trash bag team. Let's see. So it's a bag that it's made out of like other plastic bags here. This is very odd. And it has, basically they've sewed a bag together. So this is something I'll probably keep in my car. And then you can use it to basically transport stuff. But they've used things that would be trash into like a trash bag. And then they have this little thing up here. So the facts, let's see what they have in here. They have a little facts card. So let me just open this up and read about this. So this says, facts: plastics finds its way into the oceans. Over the last 10 years, there's been a whole lot of plastic, basically. And so what they've done is they use plastic water sachets are everywhere in Ghana, and they choke the drains and they ruin the beaches. And Trashy Bags has found an innovative solution, they said, to fixing this. So they use sachets to make reusable shopping bags. So that's what this is supposed to be, is a reusable shopping bag. They've collected over 30 million sachets in over 9 years, and they wash and dry them. And it's up to 150 sachets are used in each bag, depending on the size of the bag. And any waste product that's left over is melted down and given to other plastic products. So that's really cool. So that is what that is. That is your little bag there. So that's interesting. This one's made out of like water bottle stuff. And it's kind of fun because these bags have all of like the Ghana addresses on here. So it feels like a fun little international bag. So I do like the fact that this bag zips up. Like I said, I will probably keep this in my car because, you know, you can always use like a little bag in your car for when you have groceries or other things that you need. So anyway, let me see if there's anything more about this in the handout here. So it's an upcycled tote bag. It is 16 by 14 by 9 inches and handles are 6.5 inches long. And like I said, it's a white clean made in Ghana. It says made in China, but it says Ghana. This is what I'm confused about. It says it says made in Ghana. I thought it said made in China. Man, it's made in Ghana. And so Anastasia Lavi is the name of the person. She never let go of her desire of education. And then she resolved to give her children a chance that she lacked. And so basically she came up with this company and upcycled these different bags into this. It zips up into a handy pouch for easy storage and unzips to make a large sturdy tote that's perfect for grocery shopping or roomy days. So that is super fun. Really enjoyed that. So that box is very cute. I was a little skeptical when I saw it with the trash bag part. I was like, I don't know how I feel about that. Because when you see the original picture, when you pick it, you're just like, that looks like trash and I don't know what to do with it. But overall, very cute bag, box. I'm very happy with it. I definitely will use everything out of it. So like I said, I'll probably give this away as a gift. I'll put this in my car as a shopping thing. I'll use this as a wrapping. And then obviously I like the cup and I like the oil pull or the coconut oil. So all in all, a good bag and box. Yeah, so that's it. I am going to continue on with globein for now and see how it goes. But that's all, guys. I will see you later. All right.